Welcome back to Circling Circuits. Our last activities had us creating simple electric circuits. Remember, electric circuits are when a power source is connected to a component that receives an electric current, a constant flow of charged particles. The type of simple electric circuit we made is a series circuit. There is only one electrical pathway or loop from the power source to the components in a series circuit. If electricity cannot flow through one of the components, the series circuit will not work. Make a series circuit with me using one mini light bulb. You can draw a diagram to help you plan your series circuit. Pause the video now to explore. To make the series circuit, you will need to put the battery, the power source, into the blue battery holder. Connect one end of two lead wires with alligator clips by pinching the clips so they open like an alligator's mouth to the battery's terminals. It does not matter what color lead wire I use, as long as I have two. The other ends of the lead wires will clip on to the metal coming out of the plastic of the mini light bulb. Notice the brightness of the bulb. Now let's make a series circuit using two mini light bulbs. Again, you can draw a diagram to help you plan your series circuit. Pause the video now to explore. To add the second mini light bulb, you will unclip the lead wire from the first mini light bulb and attach it to the metal at the end of the second mini light bulb. Then take another lead wire and connect it to the other pieces of metal at the end of each mini light bulb. Again, the color of the lead wire does not matter. What has changed? The lights are now dimmer. Why do you think this happens? The electric current is now shared between the two components, so each light only gets half of the current. Let's unclip one of the lead wires and connect it to the insulated plastic of the mini light bulb. What happens? Both lights no longer light up because this series circuit is not complete. Another type of simple circuit is a parallel circuit. A parallel circuit has more than one way for electricity to move from the power source to the components. If one component does not receive electricity, the whole circuit will not stop working since there is more than one pathway for electricity. Can you make a parallel circuit with two mini light bulbs? You can draw a diagram to help you plan your parallel circuit. Pause the video now to explore. To make a parallel circuit, you will first make a series circuit with one mini light bulb. Then attach a lead wire to each of the metal of the alligator clips that are connected to the mini light bulb. The colors of the lead wires do not matter. The other ends of these lead wires will connect to the metal on the end of the second mini light bulb. Notice how much brighter the two mini light bulbs are now that they are in a parallel circuit. There is more than one way for the electricity to move, so the current does not have to be shared. Let's unclip one of the lead wires and connect it to the insulated plastic of the first mini light bulb. Make sure the lead wires are still connected on the metal of the alligator clip. What happens? One light bulb is not lit up, but the other is. The other light bulb is still lit because we still have a complete circuit through the lead wires. A great time to see the difference between series and parallel circuits is with holiday lights. Some strings of light will continue to shine even when one light bulb is burnt out. Those are parallel circuits. Other holiday lights will not shine at all if one light bulb is burnt out. Those are series circuits. By replacing that one burnt out bulb, the string of lights can turn back on. If we combine series and parallel circuits, we get complex circuits. Complex circuits are found in cell phones and computers. For our next electrical engineering task, we will be exploring and testing conductors and insulators. When you are ready, continue on to the fifth video segment.